What are the additional consequences of a repeat DUI offender? Attorney Aaron Bortel says, there would be a minimum of 10 days in jail for a second offender, although some counties start the penalties much higher. There are alternatives to jail, but 10 days is the minimum and the maximum would be a year. On a second offense, they would be looking at 2 years of license suspension if they were not on probation, and after 3 months, they would be able to get an ignition interlock in their vehicle so they could drive with that. A third offense would result in a mandatory 120 days in jail, although in a lot of counties, the person could avoid that by doing somewhere between 6 months to a year in a residential treatment program. The fines would also go up on a multiple DUI charge, as well as the length of the DUI school. So that's what a person would be looking at. With the ignition interlock device, the person would have to blow into a device to make sure there was no alcohol in their system when they were driving. The probation for multiple offenders also would tend to be longer. The list just goes on, and a lot of different penalties could come in and increase the punishment for someone who has multiple offenses, along with a number of other different criminal charges that happened because the person was starting to stack things up, like driving on a suspended license, prior convictions, and probation violations. For a free phone consultation, contact attorney Aaron Bortel in San Francisco, California, at 415-523-7878, or visit his website at www.bortelduidefense.com.